We are at Acadia
Acadia
National Park
in Maine.
in Maine, yeah. So we are almost to the very top of Maine, so you'd think that a lot of people wouldn't come up here because it's way out of the way.
Wow.
But they're like one of the top 10 national parks that gets visited. They have over 4 or 5 million, they said, visitors per
4
year.
million.
So
About the same as Zion.
yeah,
Or
so
Zion's
anyway, that's
10.
pretty cool. This is kind of weird. We parked by Bangor, Maine, and that's where we're staying the night. And then we drove over to here, which is about an hour away from Bangor. It was raining like crazy.
Oh, wow.
We got here.
Really hard.
Yeah, really hard rain all the way. We thought, oh, great, we won't be able to see anything.
Yeah.
We get here, and it is
Sunny.
dry as a bone and sunny. There has not been any rain here that I can tell for a
Yeah.
while. We're gonna go check with the visitor center just to make sure we're on track of what we're doing, and then we'll come back and get started on our drive. It's a one-way loop, and then there's one drive that goes up onto the very highest mountain. You do have to have a ticket for that. So it's $6 for a carload, and I already bought my ticket for that, so we do have that. So as we come in the door, this is the little store right here. And this section is the information center. And over there is, if you don't have a park pass, that's where you go get your park pass. All right, we have got our little pass holder. We have a senior pass already, but this little holder here, the pass just fits into it, and then it hangs from your window as you drive around. So we have that, and we're ready to go on our little drive. You can take a bus to go around this Park Loop Road. We're going to drive our car, and the thing that the ranger was telling us was that we are here in the late afternoon, so a lot of people are going home. But you know, if you come here, especially in the morning, the buses are better because you'll be able to just hop on, hop off the buses. They're included. I mean, there's no extra fee to take the bus, so you can sit back and enjoy the ride more. It's a one-way loop road around the whole park. So, and then when you get to the Cadillac Mountain portion, then you have to have a ticket, and that is two-way traffic. This is our first overlook off the side of the one-way road. They call it the one-way loop road. So we drove past Sand Beach, and that's the beach over there. You could park and hike down to it if you wanted to hang out at the beach all day. This is the walk down to Otter Cliff. Don't see any otters though. So this national park does have a very good multimedia section that has a video that talks all about the park, and also talks about all the different activities they have going on here in the park, the different hikes and the different carriage rides and bike paths, and I mean there is a lot to this park, and it's open to everybody. So it does require a park pass, which is the standard fee, so $35 for the pass, or in our case we have a senior's pass, so or a lifetime pass, or yearly pass. So some kind of pass that way. Otherwise it's just $35 to have a park pass to Arcadia itself. And Ninette's been really scouring the waves down there, looking around for the otters. They're really, really hard to see. Well, the way you tell is
movement.
The movement.
yeah, they're
He's
going
trying to
against
go
the wind.
out
They're going against the wind.
Against the tide and the wind. Wow, I thought they'd float on top of it. And see the blood.
Look, you can see otters out there. So this is the part we paid extra for. Gonna go up to the top and overlook everything. Again, it's $6 for the tickets for a carload to go up. No RVs, no buses, just cars. Well, we have made it to the top of Cadillac Mountain.
Ching ching.
We always say ching ching when it's an extra cost for whatever. You know, it's just a way for people to charge more money. But this is a pretty unique
cool.
thing, and so it's worth the extra $6 that it takes to
that
get up
wasn't
here.
too
So
bad.
that was pretty cheap. So they have a half-mile paved trail up here around the summit. We're gonna go check that out and overlook and see all that cool stuff down below.
Oh, you should smell the pines up here. Wish there was smell-o-vision.
Yeah,
Oh my goodness.
everything is really fresh smelling, really.
It is so sweet.
Nothing like being on top of the mountain, and it's only 1,500 feet. Not quite like the out west, the mountains out there. We were talking about Rocky Mountain National Park, and it's 12,000 feet to the summit. Okay, we are in the east parking lot, overlooking the Atlantic Ocean. All the little islands out this way.
Which way's Canada?
Canada is right there.
What are you doing?
This is the western view from Acadia National Park. So they have a nice little store up here on the top of the mountain that you can go in to get things. They also have a really good selection of stickers and magnets and things for walking sticks. All kinds of goodies. You gotta love this the most, the coffee machine. Look at that, $4 for a cup of Jordan Pond blend. Jordan Pond is a pond at the bottom of this hill. Well, this is a big place. There is a lot to do around here. And it's very, very pretty scenery. It's cool that it's a national park. And behind us is Canada.
Yay!
That is
Here
where
we come.
where we're headed next is up to Canada. But we have enjoyed our time here, just checking out the area and seeing the views.
Little
just
windy on top.
talking to some of the people and hearing their accents. There's people from all over the world here, and it's pretty cool. So I can see why it's pretty popular. So anyway, did you have a favorite part?
Oh, the smell of those pines on top.
Yeah, that was really...
That was incredible.
Sorry we can't
And just coming up on
transport that to you.
top and looking at all the little islands and everything.
Yeah.
It's like you feel like you're on top of the world.
You do,
So we're here right at this part of the United States.
I think we're just about as far north in the United, well, not counting Alaska. Anyway, thanks for
We're
coming
on this
along with
corner.
us. Yep, thanks for coming along with us. We had a lot of fun. Hopefully you did too. Hopefully you enjoyed some of the views that we showed you here and everything. Our next videos that we start doing will all start into Canada, so that's something to look forward. But at this point, this finishes this video about Acadia National Park. So thanks for coming along, and we'll hope to catch you on one of our next videos, or maybe we'll find you in person somewhere. Just reach out to us. Take care.